Hello, I am Poshali Paul and today I am going to teach you a very easy recipe of chicken galoti kabab. So let's begin. Take a kadai and add some refined oil to it, and I have sliced some onions and add it to the hot oil and fry them till they are golden brown. Now these are the ingredients that you are going to need to make the dough of the chicken. These are the fried onions that I made previously. So let's begin with the mixture for the marination. At first, take the chicken keema and add some curd to it. Now let's add black pepper powder, salt, turmeric, ginger garlic paste, red chili, coriander powder and cumin powder. Now let's marinate it and make a dough. Now let's add the fried onion, we call it barista, and this garlics. Now take the egg and beat it, then add it to the mixture and mix it well. Now take the basin and coriander leaves and add it to it. Now mix well. Please make sure that there shouldn't be any lumps. After marinating the dough, add ghee as much as you like according to your taste. Now if you like, you can use your hand to mix it properly. After making the dough, let it sit for an hour and then we will continue with our frying. Now take a frying pan and add a little bit of ghee and refined oil and shallow fry it, and you will get your amazing, tasty, easy to make galoti kebab. Thank you.